is Elma the non-tech techie, and today I'd like to show you how to scrape the real yellow pages as requested by Sumit. So he asked me, Elma, can I scrape yellow pages looking for plumbers? So let's see that. Plumbers. Okay, it must be this one. And in Florida. Okay. Oh, I already have an answer, but hey, he wants Florida, so let's do Florida. Okay, I don't know much about Florida. Let's say in Miami. Yeah, I know that one because I used to watch CSI Miami. Okay, let's see. Find. Okay, so these are the plumbers in Miami, Florida. And let's see what we can scrape. So I have here the Hexofy Chrome extension already installed and connected to my Hexofy account. And let's see, I believe they already have a template for this. So they do have a template. Let's see this one, preview more. So it gets you the name of the company, the link, Yellow Pages link, the phone number, specifications, the address, and the website of the company if available. So the next thing I want to do here is just click this one, meaning it will load the data to my Google Sheets. And that's it. Now, the thing with Hexify is that it can only scrape one page at a time. So if there is a second page, let's see if there is a second page here. Okay, so you can see that it showed 1 to 30, so total 30 businesses. And let's see. Okay, we have also here, this is 31, so I don't know where the other one is, but it's fine. You can check it out later. Okay, so now let's go to page 2. And this is very important that I want to show why I want to show you this. It's because we have the results for numbers 31 to 60. And let's see here. So you have your Hexify Chrome extension and click this and it goes to my the previous file that Hexify has created for me, and it appended the data on the same file. So we got another 30 30 plumbers on this page. So you can keep on doing that because you already have a template. So this one and share. So it does it pretty quickly. So I am not worried with that at all. And let me try one more thing where I close all these. Okay, first let me check if it has 90. Yes, it has 90. So let me close all of these and let's see if it will append the same sheet. Now let's go to number 4. And yes, it does. So now there should be 120 something here. Okay, so there it is. All right, so this is Hexify. And oh, okay, now I see there is a header. That's why it's up to 31 here, but it actually captured 30 businesses. So each page has 30 businesses, and this is how it looks like once it goes to your to your Google Sheets, and you can further process this data that you scraped from um, Yellow Pages. So I hope that this video helped, and I actually did not even have to prepare any templates anymore because it's already built in Hexify, and that makes life much easier. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.